Good morning, dear crafters. Today I want to show you a free mini kit, a little Christmas, and I made them in half pages. So you're welcome here, new ones and old ones. So here we go. They are done like this, as you see. When you have a whole page, A4, so you have to cut it up, and there are tags and pockets too. And I printed out a lined page. You get lined, oh, only lined over there. And here are this one as well, my background. Those two are together. So I was thinking we are going to work with this one a little bit further on. I just want to introduce you to my free kit. Thank you.